I'm very pleased to present to you our project that is related to finance, but is also cryptocurrency. And we are launching our cryptocurrency tomorrow at 1 p.m. So I try to move, okay. I want to start with you with some questions, not necessarily the, the number, but which is the largest taxi company in the world? Uber, of course. But how many taxis Uber own? But it's 0, okay, very nice. Which is the main trading company in the world? It's not Amazon? Alibaba, of course. And how many products produce Alibaba? 0. And which is the foremost hotel network in the world? No, it's not Airbnb, it's apartment letting. Booking.com, of course, no? And how many hotel booking own? 0. We finish with the leading book publisher, obviously Amazon. No? But why in financial industry doesn't exist a similar business model? So we start with a simply financial industry overview very quickly. The wealth manager around the world is more or less 158,000 billion, the asset under management, and the expected growth rate during the year in the last 10 years is 4.2% a year. So the asset is growing a little bit every year. The robo-advisory phenomenon has more or less 200 billion. Maybe this year is more than 200 billion because it's the last year data from SEC, CAC. But the expected growth is 150% a year. And the crypto asset maybe is a little bit less today of 700 billion, but have an expected growth rate of 300%. When you have, so if you have to invest in an industry, in which industry do you want to invest with this data? Crypto? Huh? Not only crypto, because we are working financial space, so we have to diversify our investment. Right? So crypto, yes, but also robo-advisors, but also traditional investment, maybe. So, which are the principal financial industry problem? The first one is that the distribution cost is very, very high. I don't know if you know very well, you are in financial, because sometimes I presented this presentation to a public that don't understand the financial market, so you are expert about this, and I believe that you can agree with me. The second one is that there is a very low expected return in all the asset classes now present in the market. And the equity is on the top, the rate of the bonds is negative, almost. So the expected return is very weak. And the third one is that there is a lack of competition between the asset manager, not between the fund manager, but between the asset manager. Is correct? So, I think that the digital disruption can create a new environment where we can find a win-win-win situation, both for the consumer, both for the financial advisor and asset manager, both also for a financial tech company like us. So, we want to become the Alibaba or wealth management. with this project. DIAMAN is not a startup. We are a solid brand. You come from this conference for many years, and you know that our company started in 2002. We have a SICA, we have a software house, we have a magazine, and we are growing not only in the business but also in the company and in the project that we are managing. And PHI Token will be the perfect conjunction of all this business for became the Alibaba of wealth management. PHI means a platform for hybrid investment, but also a hybrid platform for investing. So what does it mean, hybrid investment platform? It means that the customer can invest in all the financial instruments, fund, ETF, SICA, equity, bond, hedge fund, and also crypto-related product, but also can purchase a management account, insurance, UCITS fund, financial advisory service, and so on. But what does hybrid platform means? It means that we will not become a simple robo-advisory. Also, if we create a quantitative model from 16 years, but we believe that the robo-advisor is not the perfect business model for the future, but needs the human ability to manage the behavior of the clients. So hybrid platform means that there is a digitalization of all the process for the onboarding, for the manager of the client, but the human relationship with the client remain a key aspect of the platform. So for make an example, a marketplace like Alibaba has thousands of greater, smaller companies in the platform that produce and sell millions of products. 2 billion people. PHI platform will have hundreds of asset and wealth managers in the platform that produce and distribute thousands of products, 2 million of people. If we change the point of view, we wanted to upgrade the social trading to a professional level. We wanted to become a social investing platform. So a social trading, for example, eToro, I believe that you know, have short-term speculators, but we are searching for long-term investors. The platform, the social trading has traders, that the statistics say that traders in the long run lose for the 97% of the traders lose money, so I believe that is not a good idea to follow, to copy the trading of the trader. And we use the professional asset manager. And we have a perfectly regulated management accounting system. So how PHI works? Imagine for a moment to be a client, go to the web, open the website of DIAMAN partner, made the risk assessment, also all the KYC, anti-money laundering, and so on. You can choose the financial advisor of the asset manager. You can choose the depository banks, send the money to the omnibus account. The financial advisor will planning your portfolio using all the asset classes, also crypto, and send us the advice. We made a real-time risk management, and we provide the order to the banks. Okay, but why PHI token? PHI in nature is the golden ratio. I believe that all of you know very well the golden ratio. Bertelli told us about it yesterday morning. But the golden ratio you can find also in Fibonacci sequence, and And we use the Fibonacci sequence to define all the aspects of our ICO. We used 24 million of token, a number of Fibonacci, and the price obviously is 1.61803399. That is the golden ratio. The pre-sale is just closed in 13 days. Tomorrow we start the pre-ICO, and the 8th of March we start the ICO. The total hard cap is almost 50 million. I leave this slide because I think that you prefer to make the drink because it's very late. Why blockchain? But because here is the key aspect of the project, because we merge the traditional finance with a huge, amazing technology that is the blockchain, and we use the blockchain for a better transparency and security data management. So we made a daily hash of KYC, anti-money laundering, the contract of the client, all the advisory. So we cannot make any trouble with the client. It's totally transparent. The platform is just ready for almost the 50%. And the PHI token is an amazing way to reduce the cost of the platform. We have three use of the PHI token, two use and one methodology for the reward. If you want to use a freemium version of not only our software, but many software that we will implement in the platform, you have to stake, to have some token, stake the token in your wallet and prove that you have this asset. And this methodology will increase the scarcity of the PHI token. You can use the fee for pay for the software, for the services, for the newsletter, for any services that not only of DIAMAN but also your services in the platform with a 30% of discount, so you can pay less than the euro or fiat currency, and this increases the circulation. And we use a buyback and burn methodology, so we reduce the total amount of PHI token during the time, and if the company growth during the year of our business plan, for sure the price will increase. So the hybrid platform for investment is digital in the management and human in the relationship. The key people, some of the people is here this evening, and I'm very proud for it. The team is very focused, have a huge expertise in financial. And the advisor, because he's here this night, is Paolo Tasca, that you heard before, and also Daniele, and I'm very proud for this advisor, and also Leonard Bonello, that is the advisor for the Maltese government for the Virtual Currency Act. So we think that we have a very strong team. This is the organizational chart. The roadmap you can see also on the website, and I want to finish my presentation with a short video.
Why is your name Phi?
Phi is the 21st Greek letter and also the symbol of the golden ratio.
What is a golden ratio?
Can this spaceship travel through time?
Of course.
Take me to ancient Greece, and I'll explain. In ancient Greece, it was already known, as you can see.
But is it only linked to architecture?
No. Take me to 1235.
Sequel of this short video, at 1235, do you know which kind of video is? Huh? No? Fibonacci. They are going to Pisa to meet Fibonacci in the next video. Okay, let me conclude with our claim that is the future of wealth management is human, digital, and crypto. So join us in the pre-ICO and also the Telegram group if you want, and thank you very much. Okay.